Hi guys, as promised, I'm going to show you guys what I like to bring along with me when I travel. I was away last week. I got back not too long ago and I am super excited to do a different type of video for you guys because I normally do unboxings, but as I said, I'm going to be doing different type of content for you guys. So this is a start to the new beginnings. Like I said, it's still going to be all beauty related for the most part. I can always venture off to other things if you guys let me know down below what type of videos you guys want to see from me. But I did go away and I didn't want to check anything underneath because I just like to go. And I was only there for like 4 days, I want to say. So there was no point in bringing a travel on under. When I got off the plane, I got to just go, and as opposed to waiting for luggage and stuff like that. So if you guys don't have to worry about, if you're there for a week or more, I probably would have brought, a luggage to go under the plane. But I got lucky. It was only 4 days, so I was able to fit everything in this bag. This is a Huda Beauty makeup bag. I have the big one too here, which I kept like all my bath stuff. This was like all my makeup stuff. So I'm gonna be showing you my makeup stuff. Not gonna be showing you my bath stuff, like my lotions and stuff, because I don't know if you guys care to even see that. But I'll show you guys the makeup one. If you guys want to see that, comment down below and I can show you guys that one as well. But I used to do the Huda Beauty mystery unboxings on my channel, their boxes they used to do, until I got scammed. I'll link that video down below if you guys want to see that video where they totally did me dirty. Totally did me dirty. A lot of other people too, but they know what they did, which was wrong. So I'll link that video down below. I won't even get into that in this video. But if you guys are wondering where this bag is from, it was from that Huda Beauty mystery box. This was a bag they gave us. So if you guys want to see what I brought with me when I traveled, all my beauty products that I brought, my staple items, then you guys know what to do. Just keep on rocking. So this bag, for the most part, I don't want anything to fall out. It's jammed, packed, something just fell out. So I am not going to probably show everything because I don't want this to be a super long video. But I'll show you the best I can do. I'll try to go fast so I don't bore you guys. But like I said, I didn't bring any luggage underneath. So this was my carry-on. So carry-on, you guys know, everything has to be, for the most part, travel size because you can't bring like full-size items on the plane, in the actual plane where you sit. So a lot of the stuff is travel size. So the first thing I bought, I only brought one palette, and it's the Too Faced Teddy Bear palette, which I think is cute because it has nice neutral colors for every day. You can wear it going out and it's not like dramatic. Let me just cover it up. That's what the palette looks like. So I bought that. The shades are so pretty. I love this palette. And then I bought my makeup wipes. Like if I want to clean up or touch up, I have my wipes. I also bought Q-tips, but that's in that other bag. So I have my Thrive mascara. I love this mascara. I've received, this is going to be like my 3rd bottle. They give these a lot in subscription boxes and I'm mad at it. I love this mascara. So that's the mascara I bought. I bought my CC cream from IT Cosmetics, the matte one because my skin is oily, with SPF 40 in it. I like that it has a hydrating serum in it, but it still keeps your matte skin. So love this. Good for travel. You don't have to worry if it breaks. It's not glass, so it won't break. Good for travel. And SPF 40, so I don't even have to wear sunblock. Love this. I bought my face powder from Sephora. This is 54 Warm Amber. My shade looks like so. It looks light, but it oxidizes on my skin to my tone. I have my Lunar Beauty lip gloss in Divine. I did his mystery boxes as well, and I love his glosses from the boxes I got. These are MAC like liquid eyeshadows. I love liquid eyeshadows. You just put them on with your finger and go. So I bought these, very easy to put on when you're in a rush for travel. Love those. Earth tones looks great on my skin tone. I bought some liners, some lip liners. These are NYX lip liners. I love the NYX lip liners. They're super cheap. And I just put them all in a rubber band because I don't want them all fumbling around in my bag. But I love the color Never. It's like a plum. I use Nude Beige, which is like a light brown. I use Cocoa Brown, which is like a reddish brown. And I think I have one called Chestnut, which I didn't bring, but love their pencils, the NYX pencils. Of course, I had to bring my MAC Plum liner. This is like one of my staple liners that I use. Plum and Cork are my two favorite. Hope I'm not going too fast for you guys. It's just I don't want this to drag out. I don't want this to be a boring video for you guys. I had bought a set of Anastasia lipsticks one time. I only bought 3 of the shades, but I like that they're small for travel. So it was like a pink set, and you guys know I love pink. So I got Dead Roses, which is like my favorite color that they have in their lipsticks. I got, this one is Orchard. I don't know if I said that right. Don't come for me. Then I got, this one is called Cotton Candy. Love these type of shades. Love pinks. I bought some Sephora lip stains. I don't think I did. I think I did wear them once. So from the Sephora collection. These are actually really nice and they last. What else did I bring? My Benefit brow pomade for my brows. I got a sample of the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix setting spray. I personally didn't like it. I don't know. I don't like how things spray from travel size, so I don't know if the full size would spray better, but for me, I didn't think it did anything. I also bought my Benefit Brow Micro Filling Pen. I just fill my brows in when I'm done doing my brows at the end. It just gives it like a nice, deeper color, so I put that on. That's what the brush looks like. Gotta have lip balm on vacation because your lips may be dry. So this is the Hannah Lee lip balm in Tropical Citrus. I got this, I think, in like Ipsy. I got this highlighter. It's called Vesca. I think Ipsy gave this to me too. I got it in one of my subscription boxes, but look how pretty this color is. Very pretty. So I brought that, and then I got an Ela mascara sample. I don't like this brush. This brush is, I'm not here for it, so I really don't like this sample mascara, but it was free, so beggars can be choosers. I brought my, that's how you know I love this liner, because it's down to the bottom. This is the Urban Decay Covette 24/7 liners. This is like my favorite color out of all of them, besides Perversion, which is a black one, but it is down to the end. That's how you guys know I love it. Bought my little baby brush to brush my hair. Some sponges. I got this in a subscription box. It's called Blush Duo from the Beauty Prop. And it's so pretty. Like, the colors look really pretty on my skin tone. So that's what I'm saying. Subscription boxes, sometimes you get nice things in them that you would actually use. Like, a lot of this stuff is in here I would have never used unless I got it in a subscription box. So loves that. I bought my lash glue, even though I don't think I wore lashes the whole trip. I also brought my Sephora brow pencil, some little disposables to brush up my lashes if they get clumpy. Gotta have your sharpener. And what are these? Just more mini mascara. This is a Lashtopia mascara from Bare Minerals. And I don't know why I bought so many mascaras. And Huda Beauty, this is the Balm Brows Fully and Fluffy. I think these are like a brow. The fibers, I see fibers in here just to fill in your brows. So that's really about it. I didn't really bring anything else. This is just a little Item Beauty gloss. I got an Ipsy and a mini setting spray from Too Faced Hangover. the setting spray, I didn't even use it. But that's really about it. Like, I was basic. Like, plus, like I said, I couldn't bring anything under the plane because it was like no point. And then plus, when I get to where I'm going, I just want to start the day. I don't want to waste time waiting for the luggage, whole production, or if my luggage gets lost. Like, I always get fear that I may lose my luggage. That way you never have to worry about anything getting lost as well. So that's really about it. I tried to talk fast and do this fast. Hope it wasn't too fast because I didn't want to like drag out the video and bore you guys. Because I could have been like, here is my brush. You know, but I was like, you know, quick and efficient. So let me know what you guys think about a different video like this. What did you guys think? It's kind of cool sometimes, I think, to film other types of videos so you guys can get like a little bit of like what I'm like outside of like my unboxing videos. So I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know to film more videos like this. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all